You are judges. Wait, mali. We are judges. Justin Reyes. Say hi to the audience. Hi. Bata. Say hi to the audience. Jamie Pangalan. Say hi to the audience. Angelica. Say hi to the audience. Sige, audience. Lisa, say hi to the audience. Casey. Okay, yun lang mga example 1. Korean Jeanette Action. 100,000. Overeating, testing, always the boy. Food lover, Virgin anymore. Yes, from Egypt. She has a snake in her pocket, but nawala na. Okay, guys, number 3. Red ball, Jesus ball. Okay, we will now have our question and answer portion. Una ako hindi ko gusto makapag-consensus. Hindi ako question number 1. We will now go back your life. Ang pangit. Sino kanino? Okay, let's start first. Contestant number 1. Maria Jones Patterson. Ang pangit ng outfit mo. Ano ka? Siyempre. Magbibigay kayo? Ma'am Jamie? Ano magbibigay? Contestant number 1. Ang daw wala? Sir Justin? Question. Ilang gramo ang kinakain mo? Ilang kilogram daw? Ilang ba? Ilang dosena? At ilang tambang? Marami daw. Yun ang kanyang sagot. Araw-araw na ubus na yun. Okay. That's all. Let's go at contestant number 2. Michael S. Laksamana. Excuse me, God. Kami po dito. Guys. May ganit soccer ako. Okay, contestant number 2. Shara Pangalan. Yes, I know you are born dito to. Okay. Mama Angelica, question for her. Ulit Angelica? Show us the face off. Morgalet! Okay, Jimo. Okay. Talent. Ano yun? Talent portion. Oo. Ikaw na mag-hold. Okay. Contestant number 1. Maria, show us your talent. Sabi mo ng talent ko, hindi talent niya. Thank you! Okay.